How to measure yourself for online shopping. Hi everyone, so today I was talking with the product manager of Svaha, Sierra. One of the biggest tips that she gave me is that if you're buying a 12 dress, she always recommends a size down. But if you're buying an A-line dress, always recommends a size up. So I'm gonna share quick tips on how to get the right measurements of your body in order to get the right fit. I was chatting with her and she was telling me that the most important measurements to consider when buying online are your chest, your waist, and your hips. In the case of the hips, it really depends on the style that you want. For example, if you're buying a twill dress, you don't really have to worry a lot about the hips because this one is a more flowy style. But if you're looking for an A-line dress, the hips definitely matter because this one is a more fitted style. Okay, let's start. First off, I strongly recommend to buy a measuring tape online. It's definitely going to make things easier. Let's start with the chest. Place the measuring tape around the fullest part of your chest and make sure it's straight and not too tight. I always leave half of an inch or maybe sometimes an inch extra just to have more room and flexibility. Now let's talk about the waist because this one is very important. Your waist is the smallest part of your body, usually right above your belly button. Wrap the measuring tape around that area and make sure it's comfortable. Not too tight, not too loose. Stand straight, breathe normally, and don't suck in your stomach. This measurement helps a lot when choosing fitted styles or dresses that are more structured. And finally, the hips. Measure around the fullest part of your hips and butt. Keep the tape level and all the way around. And shoulders matter, but the main fit really comes from the chest, the waist, and the hips. And that is because most dresses and tops are designed to naturally fit the shoulders. And for all of my petite ladies out there, we also have a brand new line of petite dresses for you. The main differences are that the shoulders are narrower and the length typically falls above the knee. Additionally, the measurements for the waist and chest are usually the same as standard sizing. Of course, personal preference plays a role, but these adjustments help ensure a more flattering fit for petite frames. Okay, I hope you guys like this video. Let me know in the comments if you like more like a fitted look or if you like something more relaxed, more flowy. Let me know if you have any questions. Drop it in the comments. Bye!